Real estate is land and the buildings on it, houses, apartments, offices, even empty lots. It's a physical asset you can see and touch, unlike stocks or digital investments. Why does it matter? Real estate is one of the most reliable ways to build wealth. As property values rise, your investment appreciates, and tenants can help pay your mortgage. Real estate offers three big advantages: cash flow from rent, appreciation, and tax benefits. Unlike other investments, you can directly influence your property's value. Real estate isn't just for the rich, it's a tool anyone can use to secure their financial future. So, why care? Because owning property can be your ticket to long-term wealth. Let's take the first step together. Getting started in real estate begins with saving for a down payment. Even a small amount set aside from each paycheck adds up. Most lenders require 3% to 20% down, so start early and be consistent. Next, learn about property types. Single-family homes are great for beginners, but duplexes or triplexes let you live in one unit and rent the others. This is called house hacking. Your tenant's rent can help cover your mortgage. Focus on simple property types at first. To buy, you'll need a mortgage, a loan from the bank. Lenders look for a good credit score and steady income. Check your credit and improve it if needed. Set up a savings account just for your down payment. Learn by reading, listening to podcasts, and exploring neighborhoods. Get your finances in order and talk to a mortgage lender about pre-approval. Pre-approval shows sellers you're serious and tells you how much you can afford. The process is step by step. Save, learn, and prepare your finances. Don't get overwhelmed. Just focus on one step at a time. Real estate is a journey, not a sprint. Every dollar saved and every bit of knowledge gained brings you closer. Start now, and you'll be surprised how quickly you make progress. The path to property ownership is open to anyone willing to take the first step. Let's keep moving forward. Now comes the fun part, finding the right property in the right neighborhood. Look for areas with new businesses, good schools, and easy access to jobs. These are signs of growth. Visit neighborhoods, walk the streets, and imagine their future. Check city planning websites for upcoming projects, like parks or transit. These can boost property values. Watch for red flags, lots of vacancies, closing businesses, or rising crime. Choose areas on the upswing, not in decline. Once you've picked neighborhoods, analyze specific properties. Run the numbers. Add up your mortgage, taxes, and insurance, then compare to expected rent. Positive cash flow, when rent exceeds expenses, is your goal. Don't get attached to fancy kitchens. Focus on solid structures and good fundamentals. Cosmetic fixes are easy and can add value quickly. Look for properties with good bones that need minor updates. Research is your best friend. Let data, not emotions, guide your decisions. Use online tools to compare rents and prices. Talk to local agents and investors for insights. The right research turns a good guess into a smart investment. Be thorough, be patient, and trust the process. Smart research is the foundation of real estate success. Found a great property? Time to make an offer. A real estate agent can guide you, help set a fair price, and handle paperwork. For buyers, agents are usually free. They're paid by the seller. Your offer includes contingencies, like a home inspection. Inspections reveal hidden problems, giving you leverage to negotiate or walk away. Once your offer is accepted, you enter escrow, a period where details are finalized. The escrow company holds your deposit and ensures all paperwork is correct. Your lender finalizes the mortgage and orders an appraisal. You'll gather documents and clear contingencies. On closing day, you sign the final papers and get the keys. Congratulations, you're now a property owner. The process can seem complex, but with the right help, it's manageable. Each step brings you closer to building real wealth. Real estate isn't risk-free. Vacancies and repairs can eat into profits, so keep a cash reserve for surprises. Property values can dip, but long-term investors ride out the ups and downs. Focus on properties with positive cash flow. Steady rent covers your costs and lets you wait out market swings. The rewards, monthly passive income, appreciation, and tax benefits. Real estate can help pay off debt, fund retirement, or even replace your job. Over time, small investments can grow into generational wealth. Real estate puts you in control of your financial future. It's a tangible asset you can improve and manage. With education and planning, risks are manageable. Start small, do your homework, and think long-term. Real estate is a proven path to financial freedom. The journey starts with a single step. Are you ready to build your future, one property at a time? Let's get started.